Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you how to add two numbers. So it's going to be a very simple program to understand. We have to add two numbers, so we'll take two numbers from the user and we are writing this program in C++. So we have to include a header file, IOStream, then you will write using namespace std. You will start the main function here. The main function will have a return type which is of integer type. Okay. After that you will take two variables a and b. These are variables to store two numbers that you will be taking from the user, and we'll take another variable as result, because if we add the numbers we'll store the final result, the sum, in the variable result. Okay. So suppose the message which is displayed on the screen is enter two integers. The user will enter two integers, two numbers. So suppose if he enters 4 and 5. So 4 will be stored in A and 5 will be stored in B. Then we will perform addition of the two numbers, that is A plus B. So 4 plus 5 is equals to what? 9. This will be stored in result. The final output will be displayed on the screen. It will show A. This is value of A. What is the value of A? It is 4. 4 plus B means value of B. So 4 plus 5 is equal to result. What is the value of result? The value of result is 9. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. This is the final output of the program. I hope it was very easy to understand. We will return 0 to the main function, and this means our program has executed successfully. This was the theoretical implementation. Now I will show you the practical implementation of the program. Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to add two numbers. I have already shown how to add two numbers theoretically, but now I'll show you the practical implementation of it. So let's start. We are programming in C++, so we will include our header file here, include IOStream using namespace std. Now you will start your main function. Since you need to add two numbers, we will have to declare two numbers. Let's say A, comma B, and the sum of two numbers will be stored in a variable result. These are all of integer type. We'll ask the user to enter two values for A and B. So we display a message on the screen, enter two integer values or enter two integers. The value which is entered by the user will be stored in A and B respectively. So cin is used to take values from the user. We are going to store the addition of A and B in the variable result, so A plus B. We'll display the final output as cout A, that is, it will show the value of A. To display plus sign, we will use plus here, and A plus value of B is equal to the value of A plus B. So A plus B is nothing but result. Okay. We will return 0 to the main function, and our program is written. Now we will compile and run the program. So let's see the output. We are asked to enter two integers. So let's say 3 and we enter 7. So what is the output? 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. How easy it is to add two numbers. I hope it is clear. We will continue in our next lecture.